very nervous, man.
Why?
I'm scared of getting to know, like, the answer of my questions.
You talk to the lady and get those answers first before you stress yourself out.
Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna be okay. Everything is gonna be okay. I need to ask a lot of important questions to a lawyer because Gino is demanding me to pay him money that, according to him, I own him. And on top of that, he made some threats about reporting me to immigration. I'm in a hot flash. I think it's the anxiety.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hi.
I'm Oxalis. If you want to come with me, we'll get you started.
Thank you. Can he join us?
Yes, he's welcome to join you.
It is so hard for me to understand that someone that once said he loved me will ever do this to me. It is just a nightmare. And it smells good.
Well, we try to create a relaxing environment for our clients.
Yes, that's exactly what I need right now.
Tell me a little bit about how I can help you.
Yes, it's like different situations going on. Everything started 5 years ago when I met my now husband, that we are separated at this moment, still legally married.
So what's your husband's name?
Gino.
Okay.
We met online. I was in my country in Panama. I married him. And then we were not even being intimate. So we agreed on having an open marriage. An ethical, non-monogamous relationship. He agreed. And we agreed on Matt.
You agreed on Matt?
Yeah.
So he was part of
both.
choosing?
Yeah, he was part of choosing. It was all theoretically perfect. But my husband threw my clothes outside, and I was like, Matt, I don't know where to go. And Matt accepted me in his house. After all this,
We have a bun in the oven.
exactly,
Which,
Matt.
okay. That makes your case interesting. When Jasmine booked her appointment with me, I had absolutely no idea what it would entail. It turned out to be a lot more interesting case, in fact, than I expected. I think this is a matter that has a lot of moving parts.
My husband called me recently, and he said that he talked to immigration because I committed marriage fraud and that he wants me deported. With that being said, my daughter, if I get deported, like, how does it work for her?
If for any reason Gino can show that the marriage was a fraud, you would be deported, essentially. So if that happens before the child is born, your daughter will not be a United States citizen.
Crazy.
Because there is that complaint that Gino has made against your immigration case, essentially, if the child is born and you still are legally married, under the laws of the state of Florida, Gino is presumed to be the father of the child.
He could do that? Disgusting.
So you're telling me that when this baby pops out, he's going to be the father of the baby, and then I'm going to end up having to take him to court, or she is?
The laws of the state of Florida presumes there's a presumption that Gino is the father of the child because the child technically is born within the marriage she has to Gino.
That's great. Fantastic. When Gino filed the paperwork for deportation for Jasmine, I wasn't taking it that seriously because he's mostly all bark and no bite. And also, I didn't think them still being married was gonna affect the baby. I figured with a lawyer, all I have to do is, take a DNA test, prove that the child is mine, and then it'll rule him out. It is starting to get more real and scary.
This is ridiculous. Like, what if I declare my daughter like fatherless?
The problem is not who is or not is in the birth certificate. The problem is that you're still legally married. Under the eyes of the law, he can claim rights as a father because the child was born during the marriage.
I'm just wondering, what would be the benefits if she was to divorce and then marry me all before the baby is here?
In a perfect world, that would help in front of immigration. But in reality, you guys don't have that amount of time. You're not gonna be able to achieve that before the baby is born. It's very serious, to be very honest. There's a lot of lives at stake, especially the life of an unborn child. And I understand your fear and I understand your anxiety. Right now, you don't have a plan. So your very first step, you really need to end your marriage to Gino.
No, my mom doesn't know about anything. She doesn't even know that my marriage with Gino hasn't worked. And now, if I tell them all the lies that I, expose myself and tell the truth, now I will have to tell them, like, yes, I have a green card, but get what?
We have some tissues if you want to grab one. So, Jasmine, do you have any other questions for me?
No, but I appreciate. It's just like, a lot of to process, and I have to be realistic so I can preparing like for the worst case scenario. Gino thinks he owns me because he brought me here and decides if I stay or not. And I'm sick and tired of he believing that and making me feel that way. But at this moment, I don't know how to fix this. I'm scared of getting deported, kicked out of the country like a bad rotten apple. And now I'm taking it from this baby as well. I'm trying to be strong for everyone, but I'm just collapsing,